Hi there, glow getters. Are you wondering why your skincare routine isn't working as you hoped? Today, I'll share 5 common skincare mistakes and how to fix them. Stick around, because these tips can completely change your glow game. Let's start with mistake number 1, overloading your skin with too many products. More doesn't always mean better. Keep it simple. Cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen are all you need for a solid routine. Skipping sunscreen is like leaving your house without shoes. It's essential. UV rays can damage your skin even on cloudy days. Protect your skin and keep that glow lasting longer. Scrubbing your face like you're washing dishes. Big no-no. Gentle cleansing is key. Treat your skin with love. It deserves it. Even oily skin needs hydration. A good moisturizer helps balance your skin and keeps it soft and supple. Did you know your skin repairs itself while you sleep? Late nights can lead to dullness and breakouts. Prioritize your beauty sleep for a natural glow. There you have it, 5 skincare mistakes to avoid for healthier, glowing skin. Remember, it's all about being consistent and gentle. Don't forget to subscribe to Self Love Lab for more skincare and self-love tips. Let's glow together.